Understanding Welding Current, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the term welding current. This is a technical phrase often used in engineering and manufacturing. Understanding such specific terms is not only useful for language learning but also expands your knowledge in different fields. Let's dive in and understand what welding current really means. Before we understand welding current, it's important to know what welding is. Welding is a process used to join materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. It's a vital technique in many industries, such as automotive, construction, and aerospace. The term current in welding refers to the flow of electricity through the welding machine. It's an essential aspect because the amount and type of current affect the strength and quality of the weld. There are two main types of current used in welding. 1. Alternating current, AC. This type of current changes direction periodically. 2. Direct current, DC. This current flows in one direction and is often preferred for its stability and control. Now, combining the two concepts, welding current specifically refers to the amount of electric current used during the welding process. It is measured in amperes, A. The right amount of current is crucial for creating a strong and reliable weld. Too little current may result in a weak weld, while too much can cause damage to the materials being welded. Several factors influence the choice of welding current, including type of material. Different materials require different levels of heat. Thickness of material. Thicker materials need more current to be welded properly. Type of welding. Different welding processes, like MIG, TIG, or stick welding, have their own current requirements. I hope this video has helped you understand what welding current means and why it's important in the welding process. Remember, learning specific terms not only enhances your language skills but also broadens your understanding of various subjects. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.